Hey, this is Scott. Thanks for taking a look on your virtual video walk around. This is the 2014, the GMC Sierra, the 1500. Stock number is 7221. A virtual video walk around allows you to see this truck up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos and getting a real feel for what this truck is about. Of course, it does have the tonneau covering, as you can see up above, tow package. Absolutely a clean GMC pickup. No virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you completely in the driver's seat. We're going to check out the back. Look at all the legroom comforts with the leather. Absolutely flawless truck. Now we're going to put you in the driver's seat. Don't forget, at Sunset Ford, warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. We have it all right here at Sunset Ford. Power windows, locks, cruise tilt. That truck is absolutely gorgeous. You know she's not going to last long. Call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you and saving you money. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care now.